straining your voice when you sing high notes. You don't need to push, squeeze, or force your voice. That's what causes strain. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can hit high notes with power without straining your voice. Now, before you start, you do need to be able to hit a high note softly in order to be able to hit a high note with power safely. So if you can only sing high notes with power, I recommend watching this video that's going to come up in the cards somewhere around here. You can also find it in the description. It's very important to be able to sing all the way through your range softly before you try to sing through your range with power, because if you can't do that, you're going to definitely be using the wrong techniques and you're going to be causing damage to your voice. Now, where most people get confused is that because our larynx, our voice box, where our vocal cords are, of course, is in our throat, it's understandable that they think that you need to push and squeeze the muscles in your throat in order to hit the high notes, and the same with the low notes. But that is exactly the opposite of what we need to do. We actually need to relax the muscles in our throat, and we use the different parts of our instrument. Today I'm going to show you something very, very simple. So rather than going up the scale like this, which is what most people are going to do, that's by squeezing my throat. That's ridiculous, all right? You're not going to get anywhere by doing that. You want something much more fluid. Now, if you're just starting, you're not going to be able to sing that very loudly. So start with singing softly. You have to start somewhere. It's just like being down the gym. You wouldn't go to the gym, hopefully, as a complete beginner and go for the biggest weights and just force yourself through. You know that you're going to cause damage to your body. And it's the same with your vocal cords. The difference with your vocal cords is that A, you can't see them, so you can't see the damage, and B, there are no nerve endings in your vocal cords, so you can't feel the damage. What you feel is around your voice box, around your larynx. If your voice is kind of whispery and you can't get to the top or bottom notes without hearing that kind of whispery sound, that is an indication that your vocal cords are inflamed and that you need to rest them so that the swelling, the inflammation, can come down. So let's get to the exercise. With this exercise, we're going to focus on the N sounds. The word is nan. And we're going to focus on the N sounds because it's those sounds that create the technique that's going to help you sing those high notes with power. Don't try to push your voice. Don't try to force your voice. You don't need to try to add volume. What you do need, though, is to give it energy and to give it some oomph, okay? Not many people use that word anymore, but we know what it means. So we're not using force, we're using energy. So this is the exercise. Nan, 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 nan. So it's not na, 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 na. For those of us with mid to high voices, and we're going to go up the scale, then we're going to come back for those with lower voices. Here we go. Nan, 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 nan. 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 If it sounds squeaky, let it sound squeaky. You have to start somewhere. Get the technique, then you can modify it later. Let's go. We're going to come back for those people with lower ranges. Nan, 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 nan. 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 And you can continue. So for those of you with very high voices, sopranos, then you can start here. Let's start here for sopranos. Nan, 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 nan. 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 And you can keep going. So you use that exercise, and that's going to help you to figure out how you reach those high notes. Once you're confident that you can sing those notes in an exercise, you can bring it to the melody of the song that you're working on. So for example, I use this exercise with one of my singers who is learning Ignorance by Paramore. You treat me just like another stranger. Well, it's nice to meet you, sir. I guess I'll go. I best be on my way out. Okay, so we're going to use the exercise that we've just sung on the melody of the chorus for Ignorance. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Well, it's nice to meet. Okay, so now we can transfer it to the song. Will you treat me just like another stranger? Well, it's nice to meet you, sir. I guess I'll go. I best be on my way out. You treat me just like another stranger. Well, it's nice to meet you, sir. I guess I'll go. I best be on my way out. And then you would add that section by section. So you don't want to go from the exercise right to the beginning of the song and try to sing the whole song like that. Go for the most challenging part, work that in, then go for the least challenging part, work that in, and then you can start to add the pieces of the jigsaw and until you can sing the full song. Now, of course, you'll have to modify in sections. So in the verses, it's a little bit quieter, but certainly in the choruses, you want to go for that power and using the word nan with that technique, with the sound coming through, resonating behind your eyes and coming through your forehead. That is going to help you. Remember to like and subscribe and to comment. Share this with someone that you think is going to benefit, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao.